What's up guys, I'm back here with another new gaming review video of Y9 Prime 2019 from Huawei, and in today's video we will be playing some games to test out the gaming experience on this phone. Before that, let me show you some basic features of this phone. Like, this phone has Android 9.0 Pie and 4 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage with 2340 by 1080 pixels resolution and Hisilicon Kirin 710F processor with GPU Mali G51 MP4. So the first game we will be playing is the PUBG. We will play PUBG in Evo Ground mode, otherwise if I play in classic mode the video will get too much long. So the PUBG is turned on and I will select the Evo Ground TDM mode. So this is the 4 versus 4 match, and this match wouldn't take our too much time, and these gameplays will help us to judge the graphics quality on Y9 Prime 2019. We will see that if this game lags or not, provides us smooth performance or not at the maximum graphics settings. So let's get started with the gameplay. One thing I left, the settings. So in the settings you can see that Ultra HD and HDR options are not available in this phone, but we will select the maximum settings that this phone is offering. So the game is still running smooth. It's really buttery smooth, and you can see on the display with your own eyes that we have faced no shutter lags or not also any kind of frame drops too. game has performed out of class, and I wasn't expecting this performance because it is a budget mid-range phone as it costs you around 200 US dollars, and it has performed well than its previous successor like Y9 2019, and it has performed really very well. So match is about to end and we will be done with the PUBG. And the next game we have is the Asphalt 9, and it is really highly graphics game. So let's start on this game, and first of all we will set the graphic settings to the maximum. In the settings you can see that every setting is set up to maximum, and we will set the visual quality also to maximum to the high quality, and we're all set. And let's start the match. So we will be playing the game in multiplayer mode, I mean in online. And you can see this game is also performing very well on the maximum settings, and I faced no issue regarding lags or framing. It was running buttery smooth, and the colors of this game, the graphics, the cars and the lightnings were giving the really mind-blowing look, and game was very much smooth. So this game is also about to end, and third game here we have is the World War Heroes. This is the kind of shooting game like Call of Duty and other shooting games, and this is also the online game. This was also performing very well, as you have seen by your own eyes, and we have no issue with graphics, and so we are done with all gameplays. If you are a mobile gamer and want a budget device for your gaming, then give this phone a try. I hope this will not disappoint you in any way. I hope you enjoyed the video very much. If you did, then give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming tech reviews, and I will see you guys in the next one.